Hiya, this is going to be my first time to start this one up. I put another crank in there after the rebuild. Let's give it a go, see what it sounds like. Almost. Put the foot on. A little bit of this to keep cleaning up. Try again. Better. Tick over these stuff a bit more so it's working. And thanks for watching. Bye.